I'm Nate with Shine On Consulting, here to talk about our data quality assessment service offering powered by Syncery. Organizations understand that basic customer information is critical to getting started with the life cycle of how your customer comes from being a prospect into a paying customer. Beyond the basic informational points about your customer records, there's dozens of other fields that can house potential information that's used for different initiatives and processes and allow you to strategize your approach much better to convert your leads into a paying customer. But where does this data come from? If we think about your data coming from the perspective of a funnel, you've got the top, middle, and bottom portion of your funnel, which is going to be collecting different information throughout, as well as transforming data as it progresses through the different stages. If you think about your customers coming from the top of the funnel, you can imagine that some of the basic information is going to be collected throughout your basic initiatives and processes. And that basic information is then going to allow you to move it through the funnel to a new stage. In this section of the funnel, you're going to be able to distinguish which email campaigns each lead record is going to be associated with. You can allow your sales team to understand how to follow up and who to follow up to. You can also come up with different strategies to identify for this particular record. And the data continues to flow and transform. And as you move down, you'll understand who is appropriate to make into an opportunity. And as your opportunity is opened and worked, you will need information so that your sales teams can understand what is the best approach when having conversations about converting from a lead to a paying customer. And as you move down through the process of the opportunity, you're going to be able to understand whether or not they're a good fit, in which case they might become a closed lost. And those data points will help you with improving your processes in the future. And if they do become a closed one, then they become a paying customer and they continue down a customer funnel, which has another set of activities and initiatives. And all of this information is just data moving through your whole process in your database and allowing you to make the best, most effective decision-making process. And how does our data quality assessment support your data and understanding how it fares to be able to perform your effective initiatives? Well, we have a simple 3-step process. We first start by having a discovery conversation where we'll identify your top challenge and capture what your priority fields are that we'll be able to assess. Once we've received a CSV file with the different records and fields, including the values that you would like for us to assess, we'll then go through the process of analyzing that information and understanding how effective your data is to perform your activities and processes related to your top challenge. Once we've completed that analysis, we then move into our last step, which is step 3, reviewing that data. We're going to understand what your data quality score is and provide you with actionable insights so your team can improve your data management processes. What this means is that you'll be able to understand exactly what's going on and where you need to focus your team's efforts to improve your data management. To get started with a data quality assessment today, email us at services@shine.team.